In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact a live agent on Shein. Whether you're trying to track an order, solve a problem, or just have questions about their products, speaking directly with an agent can be a huge help. So let's dive in and take it one step at a time. First, you'll want to start by opening the Shein app on your mobile device or navigating to their website on your computer. For mobile users, make sure the app is updated to the latest version to avoid any glitches. For desktop users, using an updated browser will provide the smoothest experience. Once you've opened Shein, take a moment to explore any new features on the homepage before diving into our next step. Your next move will be to navigate to the customer service section. This is typically located towards the bottom of the website or app in the footer section. Sometimes it's displayed as help or support, so keep an eye out for similar terms. This section is your main gateway to resolving any issues or inquiries you have. Once you found it, go ahead and select it. Now, when you're in the customer service section, you'll see a search bar or button labeled something like chat or get in touch. Here's where you can type your question. It could be something specific such as where is my order getting or how do I return an item. Keep your question concise for better results. The system may utilize automated responses to guide you toward solutions, so typing the right keywords can be crucial in getting to the right information faster. Once you've entered your question and the automated system has attempted to assist you, you may still want to speak with a live agent. Look for a button that offers the option to connect to one. This button might appear after the automated assistant has presented some information or potential solutions. It's usually something like contact an agent or chat with us. Clicking this will put you in line to chat with a representative, which can sometimes take a few minutes depending on the time of day and the number of people waiting. Finally, once connected, you'll be able to chat directly with a live agent. This is your opportunity to ask any detailed questions and clarify any confusion you have. Remember to be polite and clear about what assistance you need. This helps in getting more efficient service. Keep track of any important information shared during the conversation, as it might be useful if you need to follow up in the future. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to reach out to a live agent on Shein. From here, you should be able to get more personalized assistance with any concerns or questions you may have about their products or services. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below.